Hi, this is John with WTI. And for me, always having good options while I'm on the go, it's always really good. So this is where this Power Crunch energy bar, this peanut butter flavor, comes into place. This is like a cookie that is gonna be like a little waffle, but at the same time, it has a nice amount of protein, not so high on sugar, and the taste is actually pretty good. So whenever you're in the goal, what happens to me, sometimes I even get out of the house without even having a breakfast, or after training, I have this huge hunger. Maybe I cannot go to my house. I have this one around in my car, and I just have to open this, eat it on the go, pretty good. And this is like a little waffle. So the texture, the flavor of this overall bar is pretty good. So if you really like convenience and you want to add a good amount of protein in your protein intake for the day, this is actually pretty good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.